It's so late. I was busy on the computer trying to organize things and I lost track of the time. I haven't even had dinner yet. It's almost 8:30. Oh, mamma mia. Okay, I'm going to show you really quick how to make Play-Doh at home. It's simple, so simple. We're just going to take some flour. I'm going to put in a cup. So it doesn't have to be precise. This is a cup of flour, just normal flour. And then I'm going to put in half a cup of salt. There. It doesn't have to be precise. Again, more or less. Okay. Mix it up. Mix it up. Now, if I want it to be, let's see, if I want it to be different colors, I kind of have to separate it. So first I'm going to put in a little bit of water, and I'll show you a little bit of water and mix it around. You don't have to use cold water. You can even use warm water. You don't have to use cold water. Nice warm water. Now, if I put in too much water, what do? You see, it's too sticky. It's not coming off of my fingers. You see how it's sticking on my fingers? I put in too much water. So I'm going to put in some more flour. It doesn't matter. It doesn't have to be precise. Some more flour. Do you see how now it's coming off my fingers? It's coming off. So I mix it around. I have to really mix and squish and squish, squish and squish around. Now, you see that it's a bit too dry, but that's okay, because if I'm going to use one bit, like this big chunk for different colors, I can do it like this. I can put in this one color. I can make this another color. I can make this another color. So I can make them different colors. I can make this a different color. Okay, so let's say I want to make this one red. Oops, there's some crust in there. That's okay. This one red. So I just put some red in there. And then now here you're going to get dirty for sure. I have to really mix it up, mix it up, mix it up. Now, if it's too dry, I just have to put a little tiny bit, little bit. Oh, mama, I squirted every place. Okay, there we go. You see how it's going, the red is going into all of the places. I just have to keep mixing it and mixing it and mixing it. Do you see how if I mix it and mix it, now it's perfect? And it's not sticking on my fingers so much anymore. I'm gonna put it right, whoopsies. I'm gonna put it right here, watch. This is my red bit, my red ball. Now I'm going to make, let's see, red is already in there. And then I'm going to put some blue. Let's see what color comes up. What do you think the color is going to be here? Red and blue. Oh, this is going to take a lot of mixing. Okay, I mixed and mixed and mixed a little bit more paint till I got the color that I wanted. That's the shadow, Elena. Okay, so I had to mix the colors that I want before I got this color. And I had to add a little bit more flour because it got really, but it's purple. It's purple. Okay, then if you want, whoops, yellow. Then what if you want another color? Or what if you want much red, I think. Red is really strong. I'm going to take some out. It's too strong. Okay. So if I want, here I've put red and yellow. Let's see what happens with red and yellow. Remember, you have to really keep folding it over, folding it over. What color is coming out? Got color everywhere on my hands. If you just keep mixing them, now I'll mix it a little bit better when I'm in pause, but if you see this color, it's a little bit more orange. Okay, now I'm going to mix the blue and the yellow, and I'm going to mix the yellow. When I'm done, I'll show you. Take a break. Okay, I'm done mixing everything and I've washed my hands. And I forgot a color. I forgot. What color do you think I forgot? I've got yellow. I've got purple. Purple is with red and blue. I've got red. I've got orange. Orange is with red and yellow. And I've got green. Green is with blue and yellow. What color's missing? Blue. Oh well, it's okay. I made a mistake. I'm not going to make another batch because it's called a batch, another bit of Play-Doh, because really I'm not going to be playing with it in these days. But you see, now that you've mixed the colors in, it really doesn't go on your hands. It's safe to play with, and it doesn't leave any marks on the surface. But just in case, you can put down a plastic piece of paper, a plastic piece, so you can play with it, okay? If it gets a little dry when you're playing, just add a little bit of water. And what I was thinking would be nice is if you made, watch, first you take, because on Friday's a special day. I'm not going to tell you what it is. You should know what it is, but on Friday's a special day. You can make a kind of a drop. You see how I did that? I made a ball, and then from the ball I made a little point. And now I'm going to squish it down a little bit, okay? Then I'm going to make, let's see, take another bit. Then I'm going to make the same size ball. And then I'm going to take another one, I'm going to make the same size ball. I'm going to take another one, I'm going to make the same size ball. So I have these same size balls. And I'm going to make the balls, and then I'm going to, you see how you can make a little point here, okay? And you just keep going around your little around. Okay, make another one. I'm doing it very quickly because my children are hungry. Okay, so there you go. And then what you can do, make a snake. You take some and you make a long snake, and you stick it like the stick, like the stem. It's called a stem. You put the stem on the flower. Okay, so here you have the petals, you have the flower stem, and then again, you make a ball. This time, flatten it out more. Okay. And there you go. You've got a nice flower for the first day of spring, which is on Friday. Now, I have some recommendations. Number one, if you don't have paint at home, then you can use food coloring, but you're probably going to have to use a little more water, because it's all about the correct combination with water, flour, salt. Okay? Another thing, if you want this to dry, you're going to have to, on your plastic sheet, for example, hold on a second. Let me get one over here. Show everybody my dirty towels. Okay, so for example, if I have a plastic thing like this, first I put down a little bit of flour, okay? Then I'm gonna have to recompose it here. Put it on here, and when it dries, okay, and if I want it to stick, I just use a little bit of water. Make it stick together, okay? Then it's going to dry perfectly, okay? When it dries, you have to be very patient. Tomorrow, the next day, the next day, the next day, the next day. When it dries, then it won't stick, and you can probably, well, it's not looking like it's going to, but it will. You got to make sure that it dries on top of the flour. Then it'll come off, okay? There, that's better. Yeah, there you go. There, that's how it will dry, okay? That is the activity. Make as many things as you like. Look at all the Play-Doh that I have left. It's a lot, and I only used 1 cup of flour. So really that's a lot of activities, okay? It's a lot of things that you can make. This is my spring activity. Happy first day of spring on Friday, everybody. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye.